Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Water Sign. Ako po si Madam P. Let's start the reading. Please do like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit the notification bell kung gusto mong ma-update tuwing may bago kaming uploads. And, yan. Yung aming Facebook page, Madam P. Follow nyo ako dyan. Ma-appreciate ko kung kayo ay magpa-follow sa akin. And mayroon akong mga pinopost kasi doon na hindi ko pinopost dito sa page, ay sa sa channel na ito. So doon nyo na lang po i-check. And also TikTok, Unipree. Instagram, Madam Unicorn P. What we have here for water sign. Empress, the Empress is here. I like this. The Hermit, you're taking care of yourself. You love yourself. May iba sa inyo naka-move on ka na or naunti-unti mo nang makalimutan itong past person or people na minahal mo. I'm saying people kasi iba sa inyo maaring, yung mga past excess mo or what. So, you're focusing dito sa new beginnings. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you're no longer waiting sa kung ano man yung meron sa past or sino man itong mga tao in the past. And now you're happy. I can see your happiness here. At saka, ayun, nakikita rin yan physically, pwedeng nakikita sa'yo or nakikita rin ng ibang tao sa'yo yung happiness niya. Kahit di mo sabihin, it shows. You are glowing. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ang focus mo ngayon is how to better take care of yourself. Ayan, yung pagpapaayos sa sarili, diet, maybe daily activities, may mga changes kang ginagawa dito. Yung iba, shifting to healthier living, and that's good. Person nakakonect mo, sino to? Spirit guides, angel guides. What do we have here? For the sign of water sign. Unfortunately, hindi katulad mo. This person is really sad right now with the 5 of Cups. With the Queen of Swords, pwedeng, I don't know kung sino nag-cut off. Pwede kasing ikaw or siya. So, it doesn't matter. Queen of Swords, so may pagka-cut off na ginawa dito. So, with the 5 of Cups, nalulungkot or nasasaktan itong person na to. I feel like with the Hierophant, and the Knight of Wands, pwedeng nagkakaroon siya ng awakening. And I feel like lahat ng mga pinagsisisihan niya, yung mga changes na nangyari sa inyo, which is with the Knight of Pentacles, either masyadong nagpadalos-dalos or vice versa, or kabaliktaran, masyadong naging mabagal or hindi nag-take ng actions at all. Ayan. So, itong person na to, parang siya, na medyo obsessed siya kakaisip dito sa mga ginawa or hindi niya ginawa sa'yo. So, ano emotions niyo sa isa't isa? For water sign. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. You do have here the 8 of Cups. Okay. The Ace of Swords. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Part of you is pagod. May iba sa inyo, maybe you are, alam mo yan, kulang sa tulog or what. Kaya tinatry mong i-shift Or yung iba, pwedeng, tinatry mong bawiin yung mga pagod mo ng mga nakaraan. The Ace of Swords, you're concentrating on new beginnings. And the Moon is here. I don't know, part of you is pwedeng naalala or nagpapakita pa rin kasi yung person na to sa iyong panaginip or nagde-daydream or may times na bigla ka na lang, out of nowhere, maaalala mo tong person na to. But, the good thing about this is that na sanay ka na ng gano'n na parang hindi mo na masyadong iniinda or hindi mo na masyadong inintindi na kung maisip mo na naman siya, hindi mo nahanapan ng explanation. Unlike before, you are the one parang maybe thinking, bakit ba naiisip ko na naman yung taong yon, ganto ganyan. But anyway, you are just focusing on the good stuff na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Na yung iba pwedeng mga sisimulan. Ayan. And yung iba, shift mo yung focus mo dun sa pag-iisip ng mga bagay na masisimulan mo pa sa sarili mo kaysa dito sa personal. Especially, nakaka-New Year lang. Anyway, this is timeless naman. So, kahit anong taon mo ito pinapanood, kahit anong buwan, it doesn't matter. Maaaring kung ngayon mo ito pinapanood, kahit late na, matagal na na-upload ang video, maybe ito pala yung time na dapat mo talaga mapanood ang message dito. So, okay lang. Emotion ng person ito for you, towards you. Four of Swords. Okay. Six of Swords. Okay. So, this person, tinatry niya rin namang ayusin ang sarili niya, mag-focus sa sarili niya. Six of Swords. Pwedeng, naka-move on na itong person na to. But I don't know, ba't malungkot siya? Tell me about this sadness na nararamdaman itong person na ito. Bakit siya malungkot? Tell me more about this. Just Seven of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nalulungkot siya kasi hindi siya masyado nag-grow according sa plano niya. So, may mga bagay siyang kinalulungkutan ngayon dahil with the Page of Cups, gusto niya ng growth Kaya lang, Seven of Pentacles showing to me as mabagal na growth sa buhay niya. Kahit anong gawin niya, parang hindi siya nag-grow according sa gusto niyang growth. Parang hindi siya satisfied, okay, with that growth. Tell me about the future. Near future, spirit guides, angel guides. For the sign of water sign. In the near future for you, water sign. Seven of Cups. Strength card. Okay. The Justice card is also here. Six of Cups. Bottom of the deck, meron ka ditong Ace of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Libra energy. Yan, Leo. Well, Seven of Cups. May mga choices kayo na near future with the Strength card na magbibigay ng strength sa'yo, whether ito ay sa career, relationship, pwedeng ganon. Pwedeng may mga if you are in a relationship, pero kung hindi, okay lang. So, yung iba, pwedeng sa career mo. May mga bagay na mas magpapatibay nitong mga bagay nito. Like, pwede may mga makatulong sa'yo para itong, for example, yung career mo na mas mag-shine ka dyan. I can see the word shine dito sa picture. So, yeah. And good thing is that you can manage yourself. You know how to manage yourself, your time, or alam mo kung alin yung dapat piliin at anong dapat yung gawin, ano yung dapat effortan, which is good kasi nagbibigay ito ng magandang simula para sa'yo. Lalo na with the Ace of Wands, this is new beginning. Nine of Wands is here. Wow. I can see this Nine of Wands. Actually, yung Nine of Wands supposed to be challenges. So, pwedeng may mga pailan-ilan challenge. But, you can still handle it. Ayan. Kung kumpara dun sa mga pinagdaanan mo in the past, eto medyo mas madali kasi alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo dito sa actions na dapat mong gawin dito sa new beginning na to. Ace of Pentacles is here. Regarding the person, nakakonect mo, the Justice card, the Six of Cups, yeah, this could be a person in the past. There's an ending of a relationship, situationship sa inyong dalawa. Ten of Cups, Two of Cups, Ten of Swords, or kasi parang matagal naman na nag-end yung iba sa inyo, lalo na kung matagal na nag-end, it could be ending na pagdadaanan naman niya dun sa mga current situation niya. It could also be another relationship na nagtutok place sa buhay niya ngayon. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.